This is the worst crash I've ever seen.
3 occupants, 17-year-old female still breathing.
A car crash claimed 2 young lives and injured a third early yesterday morning.
This is the best.
It's a documentary out right now on Netflix called The Crash, based on something that happened just up the road in Strongsville a couple of years ago. Mackenzie Shirilla now serving 2 life sentences for driving a car into a brick wall at 100 miles an hour, killing the 2 other people that were inside the car at the time. It happened almost 4 years ago when she was just 17. She claimed she had a medical condition at the time. Attorney Frank Cassese is in for Dave this week to break it all down for us in Legally Speaking. Frank, good to see you as always. Thanks for coming in.
Great to see you.
This is super interesting. The regional aspect makes it even more so, I guess, for us. So kind of set the stage on and everything that went on with this.
Sure. So I think the crash was in 2022. The trial was in 2024, I believe. Really a fascinating story. We were talking before the show, and I really didn't follow this until this kind of blew up recently on the net with Netflix.
Yeah.
So this case turned upon intent, right? Mm-hmm. So the charge that 9 out of 10 times would follow a case like this is an aggravated vehicular homicide. Mm-hmm. The aggravating factor can be alcohol, THC, any other drugs, or high speed. Mm-hmm. They charged her with murder, aggravated murder, premeditated murder. If you watch the documentary, it's really interesting how the detectives put this case together. Mm-hmm. The black box in her car. They follow the black box, and right before the crash, at no point is she ever braking. It's 100% acceleration. Mm-hmm. They have a video of the street, and right before the crash, you don't see it hit the wall, but you hear it. Mm-hmm. I believe her speeds were in excess of 97 miles per hour. It is really wild, but it was an interesting documentary to watch. I would definitely encourage anybody to do it. Yeah. She maintains her innocence. From what I've read, she has about lost all of her appeals. Yeah. She has one more that's coming up right now, or that she's fighting for. But it is really interesting. The defense lawyer in that case and his client, Ms. Shirilla, they waived a jury. So they tried this to the bench. Mm-hmm. I don't know the evidence. I don't know. I only saw what I saw through the documentary. I thought that was particularly interesting. I think I probably would have took my shot with the jury, but I wasn't her lawyer, and I don't ever want to Monday morning quarterback somebody when I don't have the evidence that they have.
For sure.
But really fascinating how they put this all together. So they went back and they had, her whole life was on social media, as most young kids are. Mm-hmm. So I can honestly see it from both ways. Her friends maintain that her social media was just the trends. She was following the trends. You know, they were playing videos of her just portraying her in almost like, not a demonic light, but like a shrewd, cold, calloused person. And her really good friends maintain that that's what they were all doing at that time. Mm-hmm. Anybody that age was doing that. Yeah. And in hindsight, when you look back, because 2 people are dead, now you're using that against her. Yeah. And I've seen that happen. Yeah. It's really fascinating.
It is wild, too. So now, I mean, she does have another appeal that she's going to try and get through. Does this potentially have any, I mean, I know you're not supposed to pay attention to outside sources and everything, but could this have any effect?
Yeah. So listen, I think this is the modern trend in law. Older lawyers will tell you these are terrible things for a defendant. But look at the Karen Reed trial. Mm-hmm. Karen Reed's, she did a documentary between her first trial where it was a hung jury and her second trial where she was acquitted. Mm-hmm. Attention to matters now more than ever with social media, TikTok, everything that goes on. I think
people love the true crime aspect too.
Right. Listen, if I was her, she doesn't have a whole bunch left, right? She's doing 2 life sentences. She got 15 to life on each case. Mm-hmm. So I would take any shot I could, because really, if you listen to what happened, her family has said her GoFundMe pages, and there's plenty of money there for attorneys and post-conviction appeals. So I don't think it's a bad thing for her.
Mm-hmm. It's really interesting to watch. And then real quick before we let you go too, there's another aspect of it. Her dad was a teacher. Yeah. He was interviewed for the documentary, and now the school district has put him on administrative leave for poor judgment in comments. That's an interesting.
Yeah, that's really interesting. Boy, I'd like to see how that one plays out.
It's a parent defending their kid, I just.
Yeah, well, and what's he supposed to do?
Yeah.
Honestly, I mean, and you never know what snippets they take when they make those documentaries.
Sure, yeah.
But I feel for both sides.
Oh, it's fascinating. I need to go watch.
Yeah.
Now, it's going to rain this weekend,
Yeah,
right?
it's a perfect weekend to
go
watch it.
Watch the documentary.
90
It's an hour and a half.
Yeah.
You can breeze right through. Frank,
Yeah.
great to see you as
Always.
always. That was good stuff.
Yep.
Well, coming up next with Memorial Day weekend here, we're